The journey begins thousands of miles from the factory floor, deep within tropical regions where cocoa trees thrive. Cocoa trees are unlike most fruit trees, directly from the trunk, making harvesting a careful process that requires both skill and experience.
Only fully ripe pods are selected. Harvesting too early or too late can affect the quality and flavor of the cocoa bean.
Workers use specialized tools designed to remove the pods without damaging the delicate tree. Large plantations may harvest thousands of cocoa pods every day during peak production seasons.
Once harvested, the pods are quickly transported for processing to preserve freshness.
Inside every cocoa pod are dozens of cocoa beans, surrounded by a sweet white pulp. These fresh beans look very different from the chocolate ingredients used in factories. Fermentation is one of the most important stages in chocolate production. It develops many of the flavors that chocolate lovers enjoy. Natural microorganisms begin transforming sugars within the pulp, triggering complex chemical reactions.
As fermentation continues, temperatures naturally increase. This heat helps transform the raw beans. This unlocks. Farm workers closely monitor the process to ensure the beans develop properly. Timing is critical at every stage. To achieve consistent fermentation, the beans are periodically turned, allowing oxygen to reach every layer.
One visible sign of successful fermentation is the dramatic color change taking place inside each bean.
After several days of fermentation, the beans are ready for the next critical stage, drying.
Drying removes excess moisture and helps preserve the beans during storage and transportation.
The combination of sunlight and airflow gradually reduces moisture content without damaging the beans.
Regular turning prevents uneven drying and helps maintain consistent quality.
Moisture levels must reach precise targets before beans can safely enter the global supply chain. At this point, the beans have completed their transformation from fresh agricultural product into a valuable global commodity. Before leaving the farm, the dried cocoa beans are packed into durable export sacks. Each sack is weighed, documented. Large storage facilities temporarily hold the beans. Forklifts load the cocoa onto trucks. Many cocoa beans travel hundreds or even thousands of miles before reaching modern chocolate factories. At major export terminals, cocoa shipments are transferred into containers and loaded onto cargo vessels for transport across the globe. Ocean freight remains one of the most efficient ways to transport cocoa beans between continents and manufacturing hubs. After a long international journey, the cocoa beans finally arrive at one of the world's advanced chocolate manufacturing facilities, where after arriving from around the world, cocoa bean shipments enter the factory, where strict quality control procedures begin.
Before processing begins, every shipment undergoes a thorough visual inspection to verify its condition. Representative samples are tested to ensure the beans meet strict manufacturing standards. Only shipments that pass all quality requirements are approved for chocolate manufacturing.
Approved beans are stored in carefully monitored warehouses, where inventory systems track every shipment. With quality confirmed and inventory secured, the cocoa beans are finally ready to begin their transformation. After inspection and storage, cocoa beans begin their journey through the factory's processing line. Multiple cleaning technologies work together to remove unwanted materials and prepare the beans for production. Once cleaned, the beans are ready for advanced quality sorting. Once cleaned, the beans are ready for advanced quality sorting. Once cleaned, the beans are ready for advanced quality sorting. Machine vision systems analyze color, size, and surface.
Automated systems remove imperfect beans, while technicians verify the final quality of the sorted batch. With cleaning and sorting complete, the cocoa beans are finally ready for one of the most important stages in chocolate production.
After roasting, the beans move to the cracking and winnowing department, where the outer shell is separated from the valuable cocoa nibs inside. Specialized equipment cracks the beans into fragments, preparing them for shell removal. Winnowing systems use carefully controlled air currents to remove the shells while preserving the cocoa nibs. The remaining cocoa nibs contain the flavor, aroma, and cocoa butter needed to create chocolate. As grinding releases natural cocoa butter, the solid nibs gradually transform into rich cocoa liquor. The cocoa liquor is temporarily stored, while additional ingredients are measured and prepared for the chocolate recipe. With every ingredient carefully prepared, the chocolate-making process moves into the mixing and refining stage. With the cocoa liquor prepared, carefully measured ingredients are combined to create the chocolate recipe. Although fully blended, the mixture still contains particles that must be refined to achieve a smooth texture.
Refining reduces particle size and plays a major role in creating chocolate's smooth mouthfeel.
Specialized rollers compress and refine the chocolate, creating the fine texture associated with premium products. After refining, the chocolate becomes significantly smoother and is ready for the next critical stage, conching. Conching is the stage that transforms refined chocolate into the smooth, rich product recognized around the world. During conching, the chocolate is continuously mixed for hours, helping refine texture, reduce unwanted acidity, and
Modern factories carefully control temperature, mixing speed, and ingredient additions to achieve consistent quality.
After extensive processing, the chocolate achieves the smooth texture and balanced flavor required for the next stage. Tempering is a carefully controlled process that gives chocolate its glossy appearance, clean snap, and stable structure.
By carefully managing temperature, manufacturers encourage the formation of stable cocoa butter crystals. With tempering complete, the chocolate now possesses the appearance, texture, and consistency required for molding and shaping. After tempering, the chocolate is deposited into molds that will give it its final shape. Controlled vibration removes trapped air and creates a perfectly even finish. Inside the cooling tunnel, the chocolate solidifies while maintaining its glossy appearance.
Once cooled, the bars are released from their molds and inspected for quality.
Advanced packaging systems prepare thousands of chocolate bars for shipment every hour.
With production complete, the chocolate is ready to begin its journey to stores around the world.
Before leaving the factory, every batch undergoes strict quality and safety inspections.
Approved products are automatically wrapped, labeled, and prepared for shipment. Finished products are stored in distribution warehouses until delivery schedules are activated. Modern logistics networks transport chocolate across countries and continents.
After a long journey from cocoa bean to chocolate bar, the finished product finally reaches consumers.
From tropical cocoa farms to advanced manufacturing facilities, modern chocolate production combines tradition, science,